Friends YouTube channel once again. Today we're talking about how to clean your keyboard.
Okay guys, so the first step is removing the keys from the keyboard itself. You either want to use a key puller or a few knives, whatever you have to your availability. So remove the keys for the first step. Then you want to head over and take all those keys and throw them into a bowl. You want to add lukewarm water and hand soap or multi-purpose cleaner, whatever you have to your availability. So then we're gonna start cleaning the keys, guys. You just want to rub the keys, make sure they're clean, get all the dirt and filthiness off the keys. You want to then start the drying process. You want to spread the keys on your favorite towel and start patting them and leaving them to dry. After this, we want to head over to the keyboard itself. So you want to take a paintbrush and just start getting all the dirt, all the filthiness out of the keyboard, all this dead skin, the hair, you know what I mean. Get them out of the keyboard. Okay, when this is done, guys, we want to grab a vacuum and start cleaning the mess we made, as well as making sure the keyboard itself is as clean as can be. Make sure you go through the entire keyboard. Then we want to grab a towel and hand sanitizer or a wipe just to clean the keyboard itself and make it look as good as new. Then you want to pop back the keys and voila, your keyboard is as good as new, guys. I hope this video helped you in any way, shape or form. Check you guys in another video.